Sorry, one announcement. Tedoshini, please change the host to the Young Heart. Tedoshini, you can change the host. Please, lot of people are waiting. Tedoshini, are you there? Please change the host.
Hello. Thank you.
Now I request you to Kuzba. Nitish Kuzba. Nitish can open your screen.
তো বলছি সবার ফেসবুকে দেখছি আমার হোয়াটসঅ্যাপটা
So I requested to Pranamita can speak about them, the both the artists. Pranamita can speak about the both artists.
Yes, thank you,
Yeah.
Siddhartha. Thank you, all our viewers who joined us today and being patient during the whole period of presentation, this performance by Ashish Maurya and Nitish Kushwa. So the first performance was by Ashish Maurya, who is an artist and currently he is living and working in New Delhi, India. Originally, he is from Mirzapur, UP, and he did his bachelor's in painting from Banaras Hindu University in 2019, and currently he is pursuing his master's in painting from College of Art, New Delhi. He is also currently exploring the mediums of sound and performance art. His works engage with the question of lower middle class families located in rural and urban spaces. So from last few years, he has involved his research into the life of rural and migrant workers, which is very pertinent at this point of our current situation in India. So from and his practice has branched into also printmaking technique, including dry point, etching, lithograph, cyanotypes, as well as performance art. So he has done more than 15 group shows across India in different cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Punjab, Himachal. And recently he also won his State Lalit Kala Academy Award, Lucknow, which is in Lucknow, UP. And his today's presentation, his performance was on nomadic space and study on object. We can speak more on his performance, but I'd like to introduce our second artist, who was Nitish Kushwa. And Nitish did his BFA in sculpture from lovely Professional University, Punjab. He believes that his works are inspired from history and culture. His motive is to render his visualization with idealization and personal experience. His basic approach is to make an artwork a piece of reality, and his emotional appeal is a bond between his artwork. His works combine geometric form, organic, and realistic. Through his artworks, he connects to the people with social norms, and he is also doing painting, performance art, etc. At this point of time, he is experimenting with different mediums of art. His work of interest are also in gender and sexuality. And the title of today's his performance was Search of My Soul. So we all have seen how Nitish has performed and with his whole body rubbing and looking for, searching for his soul. And so that's the introduction. We can talk more with the artist, or Satadru can let us know what we can do next.
Can open artists can open their screen so we can talk. Nitish
Talk,
and
yeah.
Ashish Moria. So I think it's fantastic combination, both that have a telepathy. So
Yeah.
both are performing at the natures and attempt to the organic things, clay and the prowse,
Yeah.
like kind of a tree. So
Mm.
it was fantastic gesture. And I want to say one more things. Both are the talented artists at Hexirexy Box, and both already in very much they started very newly in performance art, but already they are promoted in many like international fellowship. Like Nitish is already doing a residency at Bulgaria with me, and he's doing like a 7 show in international show, performance show. And Ashish also getting very much promotion. They are the diamonds for our Hexirexy Box. Very young but very talented, both of them. So um, I would like to say, asking both of you that uh, what is the core element to encounter the both the object? Nitish and Ashish. Ashish is there. Ashish, can open your screen, please. Ashish, yeah. So you there? Yeah. So
Yes,
what
sir.
is the main core element to encounter these two objects, like this has and the clay? Nitish, can you say?
Actually, sir, मेरा परफॉर्मेंस विलेज लाइफ के ऊपर है, जहाँ पर एक मुखौटा है, उसके पीछे एक बॉडी नहीं है, फिर भी उसके पीछे एक सेंस है, जिससे कि सराउंडिंग्स उससे अवेयर होता है। लाइक आसपास के जो एनिमल्स होते हैं, उस सिर्फ मुखौटे को देख करके वो नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं उसमें होते हुए भी अदृश्य है। तो वो चीज मैं यहाँ पर उसको एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश किया हूँ।
um, Fantastic, but you next time you be careful your camera, because the when the screen is coming is too dark, so please fix your camera. But I know
I
you are doing
don't
lot of
have
experience
idea.
with camera.
Okay.
You do lot of digital stuff. I saw your the previous
Yes,
work.
yes,
So
exactly.
this
Again,
time
this is my first performance in outdoor,
Oh.
so that's why maybe it's happened with me, and I'm taking help with my little bro,
yeah.
so brother. So maybe uh, he can't manage
Yeah.
all the lights and sounds.
Yeah, I remember your first performance in Hisrixi Boss. You used three camera, so we that
Yeah.
time were not handling the our screen uh, uh, like technology, so we could not record the three screen. So we just
Yeah.
recorded one screen. So
On that time, you was the first person who used three
three
camera.
camera. So, and
After
after
that,
that,
we got
I
started.
make
was
a
very, very excited
process.
to
So
explore that
everybody
space.
now, that's for doing the three camera, four camera. So you just like inventor to a dialog box. So I'm coming to Nitish. Can tell us about your core element. I know you're a sculptor and dancer.
Yeah. So in this performance, I use clay. Actually, people are saying clay. Our body is made with a clay. The people are saying after dying we are becoming clay and something. So actually, when we are alive or when we are here, so actually the clay quality is totally different. When we are putting on our body, then it's coming out because of our sweat, and then after because of our skin, it's not stepping on our body, so it's again falling and falling, and it's totally opposite from human body. It's not stick on it. So I tell the different layers of life and how we are forcing it to accept it, but many things are not possible to accept.
So now Pranamita can ask few questions, I think.
Yeah. So this is for Nitish, since you are still talking to us. So, as Satadru has asked about the core element, like the clay. So, is it like something being a sculptor, you chose that medium, or you relate clay as a flesh, as a body, these things?
Yeah, you can say as a sculptor, I'm so much familiar with the clay. I understand the quality. I can feel the clay. I can smell the clay. Yeah, of course, because I work for a year in the clay studio.
Right.
So yeah, of course, I'm so much familiar because that's why I love to touch the clay and love
Mhm.
to feel the clay. Yeah, it is very close to me.
So you are very young, and I think you just, as Satadru mentioned, you are very young, but still you have done many programs and all, and you are right now exploring the medium of performance.
Yeah.
But you are trained as a sculptor. So how the inspiration for performance art came in? Like,
Actually, before that, I know about performance art, but it was very far from me. I saw the performance art, but I don't know about performance art. And Satadru sir was the first my mentor who teach me about performance art. He made uh, interest inside me, and then after he is my god. He's like my god, my friend, my everything. So he teach me so many lessons to come on this point. So I'm very thankful to him. The
amazing,
main role is goes to him.
amazing. It's like a mentor and the student. It goes on in every field, and we are seeing how performance art and Hexidexy is encouraging young performers to come in and perform.
Yeah, yeah.
So do you plan your performances? Like I think this performance is spontaneous, or you?
Actually, I'm working with the clay all the time whenever I was at my college or at my home. So this material was with me. So I thought I will use this clay and with my body, and I will show
So
my
do you
system.
give importance to the costume or props or the site?
Yeah, sometimes I use the props and costumes because, of course, actually, I believe in our history and our culture, and of course, our old mythologies, spirituality. So we can see the influences in my. You guys can see the influences in my earlier performances. I'm using costumes and props also. It is very important for me because. I'm a dancer also, so it is very important
That's
for
great
me.
to know
Yeah,
that you are a dancer also. So are you doing the other art practices also, like painting and all? Uh,
yeah. I'm doing painting and sculpting and performance art,
do
everything.
you find any interconnection between your other practices and performance?
Yeah, everything is interconnected, but performance art is totally different because in this we can. It is a quick action, of course, and we can tell our whatever we want to say, whatever we want to tell. So we can tell very quickly, and there is no. It's not time taking. It's all about our spontaneous actions.
Mm.
So it is different, and it is a special for me, this
Yes, of
performance.
course. Of
Yeah,
course, the body is very much important. Body and the spectators is very
yeah.
important in a performance, and that we can see. And of course, there are other aspects. So now we can talk to Ashish also a little
There
bit.
is one question.
Yeah,
There
tell
is
me.
one question
Yes.
in the chat box.
Okay. Let me see.
Nitish, can you tell?
Nitish, can you tell us
Nitish,
about the
can you
action which
ask,
is
please? Can you ask, please? Nitish, can you ask, please?
No, this is question for me.
it is a question from the audience. It
Yeah,
says,
from the
can
audience.
you tell us about the action which is so fast moving or not rhythmic? Is it conscious or it happens?
It's happened when clay or when any materials which you are very familiar. It goes to your body. Of course, you feel it and you start action with it. So it's not pre-planned. Of course, when it goes to our body, when it touches to our body, then of course we can feel it and we start doing action on it. So it's spontaneous. It's not pre-planned.
Right. Thank you. So Ashish is also here. And as Satadru
Yeah.
has said, maybe next time you will have to take care of the light. Or I was just thinking maybe if we need to use the daylight, maybe we can start the session at 5 or something if there is some requirement.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can think about that next time if there is anything like that. So Ashish, your performance was on nomadic space and study of objects, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So, where
Yes.
are you right now? You are in some field or
Uh,
village space?
yes, ma'am. Right now, I am in Mirzapur
Okay.
district, which
अच्छा,
is in UP,
अच्छा,
Uttar
अच्छा.
Pradesh. Yeah.
तो आप वहाँ पे भी काम कर रहे हैं ऐसे जो आप माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स के साथ काम करते हो अभी भी?
Yes, yes, exactly, मैम. Actually, ये मेरे लिए मैं जब मतलब दिल्ली रहता हूँ वैसे, बट गांव में आने के बाद मुझे ये एक अच्छा चांस है वो मतलब उनके साथ घुल मिलकर रहने का और उनके लाइफस्टाइल को डे टू नाइट डेली रूटीन ऑब्जर्व करने का. तो ये मैं यहाँ पे यूज कर रहा हूँ और इसको यूटिलाइज कर रहा हूँ.
बहुत अच्छा आपका जो करंट जिस टॉप कॉन्सेप्ट पे आप काम कर रहे हो वो काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है और करेंटली अभी पेंडेमिक टाइम पे भी काफी माइग्रेंट्स और वर्कर्स की बात आई तो आपने कुछ रिलेट किया उन दौरान कुछ और करने की कोशिश की है मतलब
यस मैम. एक्चुअली जो मेरा प्रीवियस परफॉर्मेंस था वो अनलॉक स्टेजेस 3 था जिसमें कि मैं जो इवन मेरे फैमिली एंड मेरे रिलेशंस के भी बहुत सारे लोग जो कि माइग्रेंट हुए एंड जो कि दिल्ली से एंड बॉम्बे से बाय फुट यहाँ मिर्जापुर तक आए, तो वो उन्होंने जो अपना मतलब एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया मुझसे और मैं उनके साथ जो बात किया वो आई हैव रिकॉर्डेड दैट इन माय कैमरा आल्सो एंड डॉक्यूमेंटेड दैट।
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। तो क्योंकि
या
आप इस टॉपिक पे काम कर रहे हो और फिलहाल ये टॉपिक इतना इम्पोर्टेंस रहा है रखा है, तो आप बाकी मीडियम्स पे भी काम कर रहे हो, इतने सारे पेंटिंग्स भी, प्रिंट मेकिंग भी। तो प्रिंट मेकिंग क्या आप सीख रहे हो अपनी कॉलेज में कि किसी और से सीख रहे
एक्चुअली मैम मेरा बैचलर बनारस यूनिवर्सिटी से हुआ है, वहाँ पे प्रिंट मेकिंग एज अ ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट है एंड मेजर सब्जेक्ट है। पसंद है क्योंकि उसमें एक्सपेरिमेंटल वर्क ज़्यादा होते हैं, उसमें ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट किया जा सकता है बाय एसिड एंड बाय ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं। तो वो उसमें बहुत सारा लिथोग्राफ्स, साइनोटाइप, एचिंग, ड्राई पॉइंट, ये सब
आशीष थोड़ा
मीडियम्स
थोड़ा
को
तेज बोलिए। आशीष
मुझे
थोड़ा तेज
करना
बोलिए।
पसंद है।
अच्छा आशीष,
ओह
तुम
सॉरी,
आपका
माय
वॉइस
वॉइस
थोड़ा, हाँ ठीक है। और तो आशीष आप बाकी इतने सारे मीडियम्स में भी काम कर रहे हो, बट आप परफॉर्मेंस भी इक्वली यू आर डूइंग। So do you think you are able to connect to your spectators, viewers more through the performance than the other medium, or you feel it's
एक्चुअली
equally?
मैम मैं परफॉर्मेंस आर्ट को एज अ मीडियम ही देखता हूँ। लाइक जैसे मैं प्रिंट मेकिंग में कर रहा हूँ, एचिंग, ड्राई पॉइंट, मेरा सब्जेक्ट एंड थॉट प्रोसेस सेम ही है, बस मीडियम अलग है। सो परफॉर्मेंस आर्ट में भी मैं वही चीज़ दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ जो मेरा मतलब सब्जेक्ट है। तो जस्ट लाइक ये एक मीडियम मैं
एक
यूज़ कर रहा
एक
हूँ।
एक तरीके का मीडियम है जो आप बाकी
जी
के साथ
जी
यूज
जी।
कर रहे हैं, राइट? तो आशीष का ये जो परफॉर्मेंस था यहाँ पे, वो काफी ऑब्जेक्ट्स, डे टू डे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को भी एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते थे, है ना? दैट इज व्हाट यू वांटेड टू
यस
से
मैम।
कि एवरीडे ऑब्जेक्ट की, ऑब्जेक्ट जो छोटे मोटे ऑब्जेक्ट्स है एवरीडे, हम कैसे उन पे इतना निर्भर करने लगते हैं और वो कैसे हमारे लाइफ को इंस्पायर करते हैं। ये आशीष का एक पॉइंट था ड्यूरिंग हिज परफॉर्मेंस, द ऑब्जेक्ट्स इन आवर डेली लाइफ, कैसे वो हमारे लाइफ को इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं और हम कैसे उन पे डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं, और एक रिलेशनशिप ऑब्जेक्ट्स और ह्यूमन का वो देखना चाहते थे। एंड आशीष ये भी कहना चाहते हैं कि वो इस प्रोसेस ही, ये आपका ऑनगोइंग प्रोसेस है, राइट? ऑन दिस
Yes,
टॉपिक यू आर
yes, yes,
वर्किंग।
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ही ऑल्सो वॉन्ट्स टू से कि ये प्रोसेस ऑनगोइंग है और ये एक रिसर्च की तरह, एक आर्टिस्टिक प्रोसेस जिसमें अलग अलग चीजें निकल के आती है ड्यूरिंग द होल प्रोसेस, एंड ईच टाइम यू फाइंड आउट न्यू थिंग्स। तो ये एक आंसर की तरह नहीं लेते हैं इस काम को, एंड ही ट्राइज टू सी कि क्या क्या नया पर्सपेक्टिव can come out, can emerge from this whole process on the same topic. So this is what Ashish is doing right now. So
Hmm.
बहुत बढ़िया रहा, हमें काफी अच्छा लगा आपके दोनों के परफॉर्मेंस। थोड़ा सा
Thank you so
आपका,
much, ma'am.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा हमें लाइटिंग का नेक्स्ट टाइम देखना पड़ेगा। एनीवे, तो सताद्रु या उमेश, क्या आप लोग कुछ और कहना चाहते हैं?
I think both the performance is very tactile.
Hmm.
Some way the tactile quality which
Yeah,
is involved with our artwork is
yeah,
with the hand, and we can touch, we can feel. So it is
very nice.
happening with not, they don't know, both don't discuss, but they don't did the performance kind of sequence.
Very
Yeah,
sequence
yeah,
related. It's like
related.
one, yeah.
So it was a fantastic juxtaposition for both the psychological era, and they connected each other, and they performed.
And one was looking at the material object thing, and the other was looking inside our body and the soul.
Yeah.
So,
So this is a beautiful journey. Like Promita says that I just put on a cherry. So it's a the whole performance is inside and out. Like
yeah,
one person going inside and one side going outside to
outside.
inside. Yeah. So
the
this is
space and the objects around us, and one is looking at the body and the soul inside.
so very grateful to see beautiful performance, and God bless you. I was asking Ashish Moria to one critical question. So Ashish, some
Yes,
people
yes, sure, sir.
point out you like your work is synchronizing other work. So what you feel like that time? So funny question.
Yes, एग्जैक्टली ये जो मेरे मास्क के पीछे एक स्टोरी है, इसमें एक अगर देखा जाए तो फ्रॉम डे टू नाइट उनका जो जर्नी है, और मतलब ना होते हुए भी वो कैसे उसमें प्रेजेंट है एक बॉडी उसमें, वो मैं फील करना चाहता था इस परफॉर्मेंस के थ्रू. यस.
So like my knowledge, like same performance done with.
Do you Sadadru sir, do you know what is that?
Yeah, I'm talking about that last performance in Hexadixie box. You
Yes.
perform with I know many people do the same performance. I know Dimple Shah also did the same performance at Rohtak University last year. So the I think one artist from your place, I forget his name. So it's not that everybody copies, everybody sing. You know, all over the world, two people are doing the same work. Maybe they not meet, but they are psychologically connected. So I can say the same word to you. You're so young, so prominent, so don't bother that kind of word and just go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Don't be upset, my little boy. So
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
yeah.
Actually, this is the main problem to perform outside. I can feel today.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
And
That
Nitish,
is okay. We learn from each event, each thing. We learn from our mistakes.
I just want to ask you, you're a dancer, I know, belly dancer, you already published a lot of CD and all. So do you feel that that performance art and this performance art is similar, or hell and heaven difference?
No, that performance and this performance is totally different, of course, because on that time it was pre-planned. We did lots of practice for that. There are different costume design, everything are pre-planned there.
Yeah.
Music, set, stage, everything. But here we suddenly we take any daily use object, and then after we start performing. So it is very different for them for that performance.
Thank you so much. I think Umesh ji say something, or I can say the vote of thanks. I think Umesh ji can say something.
Thank you very much, Nitish and Ashish.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
very much.
Thank you so much to give opportunity to perform here. And thank you so much.
This group is a only open platform to young artists only. It's an open platform. They do anything. It's a free to work. And thank you very much for giving your valuable time and energy. Thank you, Pranamita ji, to give the time. Thank you, Sadadu. Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Pranamita
This is
ma'am.
a vote of thanks.
Ashish Maurya.
Ashish and-
Thank you, everyone.
Ashish and Nitish done a fabulous job, and Pranamita, very interesting question
Yeah.
put up, and it will be a different kind of boxes front of us. So that kind of question, please ask, so our young talented artists can learn more. Because my performance art journey started from your hand. Like I first did performance with Neve, so you
Yeah.
give the opportunity. That's the journey begins. So now I'm here.
Yes, yes. Thank you. And I'm seeing,
Thank
Satatu,
you.
how you are doing performances now, at this point of time, and you are connected to so many performers from around the world. And the best thing is you are also bringing in young generation. You are encouraging them to come and learn this art form. So that is the best part. And you are not confining it to yourself, but you are giving, which is very important. We need to give to our next generation, which is very important. So
And
Thank
thank
you.
you so much to Umesh ji giving this opportunity to
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you so much, Pandita ma'am, Sata
Yeah.
Dhruv sir.
And
Thank you.
all the viewers, thank you so heartfully. Thank you to everybody to join us, our diaspora. Please join us tomorrow also, Anupam Saikia's performance. So that are also fabulous performer. So please join tomorrow and going on. So please make your time free and join us. Thank you so much, Pranamita.
Thank you. Thank you everyone for being
Thank you, everyone.
Ashish,
Again.
Nitish,
See you tomorrow again.
Sure, ma'am, sure.
Please open everybody their screen and say thank you to our performer, little performer. Can open everybody their screen? I can see, take the screenshot.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. Thank you, sir.